All right, guys, on this episode with the Outdoors with Rich, we are going to make something special in the Dutch oven. What are we making?
Pizza.
Pizza. Now, this is not a how-to video. Please don't think that at the end of this you're going to know how to do it. We did some research online, or she did some research online, and we're going to try to figure this out and one day know to, or be able to say, hey, we know how to make pizza in the Dutch oven, or she knows how to make pizza in the Dutch oven. So it's an experiment. We hope it's edible at the end, but we are at our camp up here in North Florida, and so behind us back here somewhere is going to be the campfire. I'm going to get that going in a little bit, and you're working on what so far?
The pizza dough. So I made the flour and all the ingredients to go into the dough already. I just put it in a Ziploc bag. Found a recipe online in the Ziploc bag, so hopefully it works out.
All right. And then it's just going to be, I think we're doing some shredded up mozzarella, and it's just going to, we're slicing up some pepperoni. I got a whole stick of pepperoni to slice up. I hope that's okay that you do it that way. And we're going to try to basically make a pepperoni pizza in the Dutch oven over the campfire. So wish us luck and stay tuned. All right, guys, here's a little tip while this fire is heating up. I'm using one of these little grill grates. I got 3 chains. This is like really the base, the inside guts of a Weber grill. And you can buy them at the hardware because they rust out and replace, but just hook some chains onto it. And then if you hook a prusik knot up to it, you can lower. Now, as you can see, I've lowered it down too much. And I need 2 hands to raise it up, but let me show you how that works. Basically, you just hook your chain. You have a hook on the top of your 3 chains. Hook that in a prusik knot loop, and then you can take and raise your piece up off the fire. So it looks kind of like this. Sometimes you might, once you get your coals going, you may want to lower this down. Once you get some flames popping, something like that, you may want to raise it up. All right, it's coming along good. We got the pepperoni cut up, we got the fire going. What do you call it? The yeast or flour? What's rising? The dough is inside doing its thing. It's in there rising. We got to cut up some mozzarella, let that fire settle in a little bit. It is going to be dark soon, so the second half of this is us probably going to be enjoying that pizza, hopefully, fingers crossed, in the dark. But anyway, I'm getting hungry. I'm really looking forward to it. Hey, what are you doing?
I am going to put the dough in the put some oil in here and put some dough in the Dutch oven, and hopefully have ourselves a good pizza.
We're making 2 pizzas?
Yes.
That's it?
That's it. Now we put her back on and get some coals on top of it.
All right. Yummy. All right, now what?
We gotta get it out of here. Pizza, pizza.
Let me see.
Looks good.
Oh,
Check the
yeah.
crust. Firm.
Oh, yeah. Dang,
Cool off.
babe. All right.
See it.
You think we should open up a pizza shop? Can you flurl it up or twirl it up or whatever it is, like 2 or 3 feet?
We don't want me to do that. What happened?
So guys, this is pizza number 2. We're cooking 2 pizzas tonight.
Just stretching the dough out this time. Last time I pushed it out in the Dutch oven. Dutch ovens.
All right, guys, we just got this out. It looks like it's cooled down enough to cut. We're gonna cut it up and give it a taste. We do have another pizza going in the Dutch oven on the fire now, but we're hungry, so we're gonna give this one a test drive and let you know how it is. I think I hear some crunch going on in there.
As always, don't forget to say your prayers.
What do you think of it? Stupendous.
Stupendous. Very good.
All right, guys. Well, we're finishing up this pizza. I got a mouthful. Hold on.
So the pizza turned out really good. I think a couple of things that I've learned from this is instead of making the dough in the Ziploc bag, I'll just make it like regular dough in a bowl. I did add some Italian seasoning, but you can add different seasonings to the dough. Also, I'd like to try some different toppings next time.
Right. So it just really depends. You know, are you truck camping? Are you, we're sitting here in an RV. We were trying to do this like as in, what if we were just in the middle of the woods? Could we pull it off? Obviously, you can't backpack in a Dutch oven. I guess you could. But if you're truck camping or tent camping or whatever that is, or in your RV and you have a fire going or the ability to do a fire, we wanted to show that you can get out and make a freaking pizza in the Dutch oven over a campfire. You do need to have, I think, the ability to kind of lift the Dutch oven off of the fire. I don't think we could have got away with, unless you let your fire settle down a lot more and then just smoothed out the coals a lot. But when we still had a flame, that's one of the things I like about doing a tripod over the fire or having the ability to lift it, is when your fire is still going, because otherwise when you're done we can jump over and enjoy the fire. We don't have just a smothered thing of coals left over. So it all depends what your style is, what your camping outfit is like, but I think all in all
turned out
it was
good.
really, really good. So we started this video saying don't do what we do. I'm going to try to link the recipe. I'm going to link some cook times and get you guys in a place where if you want to make pizza like this, you should be able to by clicking the link on the links below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Is there anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Ricky's in there eating his pizza inside the camper. He came out and got a few more pieces and says, I'm going inside. So he's in there eating. But hey, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoy your pizza if you decide to cook it. If you've done this before and you've done something different or have different ideas, please leave them below in the comments. We appreciate you guys watching. Until next one, God bless.
See ya.
Try that thing where you do the camera. See how I did that. One thing I would do differently is bring a pizza cutter. It's not something we usually have in our camper, but if we're doing this,
Well,
bring a pizza cutter.
that knife wouldn't be too bad if you'd drop it.
Right? The thing's garbage. I'll scrap it. How's that?
Okay, just give me a new one.
All right.
All
Ready
right.
to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.